So we're going to be starting a new project. Got a commission for, if you remember a little while back, I did a hammer cane, or a cane in the shape of a hammer. So we just sketched out the new shape, mostly because I've lost the old template, so I had to redraw one. It's going to be 6 inches long. This is 2 inches thick. We got for the head a nice piece of plantation teak, and for the shaft have a basically 1 5/8, a 2x2, nice solid piece of maple. I just laminated two pieces, two 1x2s together, just to have more consistent grain. So let's start laying things out and build on this one. So it looks like finalized another hammer cane. Did plantation teak, little strip of maple, Bolivian rosewood. Then we did a maple shaft with, keeping everything square, did a square twist. I think that came out fantastic. Tapered down a smaller section. Little piece of, what's it called? Roasted ash. That's something new. Should be fun to see when the oil hits. Another little divot detail similar to under the head. And then another twist. A little bit of a detail here, tapering all down to small 5/8 foot. This one's about 36 inches high. Person I'm making this for, the commission piece, he's 6'1", so 3 feet should be just about right. Let's put some oil on. What we're going to do, first coat, boiled linseed oil. Got this out of Ottawa in KJPSELECTHARDWOODS. Worked out pretty well in the last project. I'm going to try it on all these exotic woods. Let's see what color comes out of it. So just going to apply with a little piece of cotton here. Get some loaded up. Should be a good shot for you guys. Oh, fantastic. That plantation teak. Very nice. Now we did sand all the way up to 600 grit. I wanted this to have a nice high polish to it. And it is not disappointing me. All these colors are going together nicely. So, again, plantation teak, little strip of maple, Bolivian rosewood there, and then a maple stick, and the colors are going together fantastic. I'm going to put this down for a second, load up on a little bit more. Let's see what that roasted ash does. Oh, it almost comes out black. Beautiful. Still see some grain, but very, very dark. Look at that. And of course, the highly figured maple here. I think it is all coming together nicely. Let me finish it off. This is going to take several coats, and I'll tune in soon. Hold on.